What's up, everybody? Excel Dude coming at you again. Today we're going to talk about the AND function. Basically what we do there is we take two different arguments, or multiple. We'll just do two in this case. But we need to see if they're true or false. And the AND function, not to be redundant, is something where this has to be true and that has to be true to get this end result true. So it's easier to show than tell, but before we do that, hit that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner. I'd appreciate it, and we'll jump in. Let's look at this context here. First, we have the length of the project. That's from here to here. How long did it take? It should say we have two deadlines. It needs to be less than 60 days. And this one, the documentation. It has to be this and this cannot be more than 180 days apart. So you get 2 months to finish a job, you get 6 months to get your paperwork in. Did we do that? That's the question we're asking. Right here, we're going to do equals and checks whether all the arguments are true and returns true, if that's the case. So first, we're going to do our parentheses here. And we'll just go, actually, you know what? We'll just do this. Logical, we want to see if this minus this is less than, we use the caret there, or the left chevron, I suppose, 60. And we're going to hit F4 because we will copy this down, and this will move if we don't hit that F4. That's all we're doing with here. F4 is money, lock it down. The next one, we want to take this date, and we need to see if we take away these, is that less than 180? Actually, we're not going to do that. Click there, and again F4. Lock it down, close that up, hit enter. True. Okay. We don't have to type that in for everything. Our cell references are there, so we could copy, Control-C, Control-V, right down there. And if we hit F2, it shows us. So we see those stayed. Good. Just checking here. And we see that those are still the same criteria. Great. Then we can flash fill. Click. And it looks like everything here, doing a little spot check, looks like it's still the correct equations. And on these ones, we missed the deadline. So why is that? I mean, you can do other things that are fun too with this. So conditional formatting, home, conditional, we can go with highlight cell rules, text that contains, sure, let's go with false. Light filled red, there it is. So we see this, these are the problems, what happened here? And it looks like most of them were, it was a mix of when they started, so you can look through that, get some data as well. But that's about it for the AND function. So we're going to go through the OR function next. That'll be there. And these are great to throw in if statements, things like that, logical stuff along those lines. You can use them with VLOOKUPs, pretty much anything, and it really lets you kind of expand to infinity any function you want to use. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button bottom right, and I'll see you next time.